I'm making a quick video to discuss the topic of decision logic. Decision logic is how we make our workflows intelligent. So this is an AI-powered workflow for comment moderation. However, the same methodology can be applied in different contexts, such as email organization, instant messaging routing, or even just simple data organization. What we're doing is we're applying filters and routing to define how we contextually sort, categorize, or respond to information with AI. In this example, we're moderating comments on an Instagram channel, and then we're using filters to define whether we should respond, shouldn't respond, or how we're going to respond to that question. Now I'm going to show you, based on this ChatGPT module here, what is really going on. So if I come to the last user prompt, we can see we've got brand, product, and normal. So really what we're doing is we're defining, is the comment a brand comment related to a brand or service inquiry, a product comment relating to the comment around the product, or is it a normal comment such as how is the weather? And based upon this, we're going to output a single word in JSON format. That's just so that we can extract a single word and understand which route to take. So if we come to the router, we can see that if the answer from this ChatGPT module is normal, we won't take this route because this route is for product inquiries. Whereas this route down here is for brand and normal inquiries, and then further on, normal and brand. Now, each of these different responding modules of ChatGPT here is programmed with different information. So if we take the product route as an example, we're actually using the ChatGPT module to find the appropriate URL for that product page. And once we have that URL, we're then able to download additional information from the product page to be able to respond to the comment that's asking about the product on the Instagram channel in real time. In fact, this workflow takes about 10 to 15 seconds to respond to a comment. Now, we also have a vector store, which is on the Airtable here. So we actually have all of this different product knowledge base. So it can actually extract information from the product knowledge base as well as the URLs. In fact, that's where the ChatGPT module gets its information for the URL from this database here. Now, if it's a brand related inquiry, we want to have the FAQs at hand. So in this database, we have the brand FAQs. We can see in here, we've got all the associated questions and answers that this brand would usually get. So if we go down here where we've got the brand module, we can actually go inside and we can see that we're extracting the information out of the brand FAQ sheet to be able to respond to the comment on the Instagram channel with the right answer for the question.